Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorich, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. And today I'm here to talk about the F word, not that F word. We're here to talk about funding your estate plan. And it is one of the biggest reasons why estate plans do not work out the way people expected. It is crucial to make sure that your estate plan is integrated with your financial plan and everything is properly titled and allocated. Many law firms do not help people with this part of the process because it can be tedious and time consuming. Our firm is different because we help people understand the funding part of the estate planning process. So let's talk about what funding is. First, you need to know about the different types of property and assets that you have. Most people have a variety of things: real estate, cars, bank accounts, brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance. All of those different types of accounts and property need to be examined because they have different titling and beneficiary designations that need to be considered. They need to be considered so that they do not override the decisions that you've made in your will or your trust. So for example, if you have a will-based plan and it says everything is to be divided evenly between my children, but then you have some accounts that have beneficiary designations that say something different, those beneficiary designations are going to override what your will says. A common place that we see this playing out is an older parent adding an adult child to their bank account so that the child can help pay bills and manage the account. And when they go down to the bank, the teller simply adds the child as a joint owner. But the result is when the parent dies, that bank account automatically goes to the child who's listed as a joint owner on the account. And that may not have been what the parent intended. And the parents sometimes think that the will is going to cover that account, but it doesn't. When we do trust funding for our clients, we make sure that we review all of the assets and that we make a decision together how they should be properly titled or designated as beneficiaries. And then we'll go to your banks and your financial institution and work with them to fill out the right forms, follow their procedure to make sure everything works the way that you have intended it to work. It can be a time-consuming, tedious process, but that's why you can hire a firm to help you take care of it. I found View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning with the commitment to help people create estate plans that really work. When you hire us to help you with the funding, we make sure that all the right forms are filled out and that we have dealt with the banks for you so that you don't have to worry about that headache and that it's going to work over the long run for your family. If you're watching this video, you might be thinking about how to get started and whether to use a do-it-yourself program online or a cheap offer from another firm, but that's not really an apples to apples comparison. You need to think about how the whole process will work and the long-term results. So if you're ready to get started with your estate plan, give us a call.